Right, guys, this is an empty EdShed. It's an empty EdShed, which is unusual. Now, it's not that empty because you can see there's the old Range Rover bonnet. Now, the idea was we were going to do the Range Rover, but I got stitched up really badly with the deal I did. I didn't get stitched up as much as that I got stitched up because I did a deal with somebody who failed to carry out what they should have done, which meant when I then sold the project to someone else, they then found a whole world of crap for somebody else, which then put me back on the spot, which meant that I had to then say, well, what do I have? And then they went, well, if you want to buy it back, you can, but you're going to pay a premium. I said, well, that's not fair. Because I sold it with what it was, and they have sort of like gone, well, you sold me a car, and I've now got all the information of it. It's the original car. Now the guy who probably, if you listen to this, they know who I'm talking about, and the guy that bought it off me knows that I'm talking about him. I think it's really bad what he did. I think he knew how he bought it, but what he did was he went, well, it could be stolen. So when he checked all the numbers out of it, he went, no, it's got a logbook. What he made not realise was that other people were involved in it who didn't have any axe to grind, and they were innocent victims in this whole thing. So I've now got a world of crap on my neck, which cost, as usual, it's cost me money. So this is like a bit of one of those whiny videos, and I'm sorry about a whiny video, but it's a whiny video because it shows how some people don't think what the bloody hell they're doing, and some people say one thing and do the opposite, which is a great eye-opener for me, because the only person that's costing me money is me. Because I've had to buy the whole bloody lot back. And when I bought it all back, which I've had to do now, I think I didn't want it. I didn't want it. I didn't want to do it. I'm not happy about it. But I haven't got any choice. Because I feel bad about what happened. So I think from that point of view is I'm going to say to you guys is that you might not see a bit of video for a while because we got to sort out this mess. But I hope all the people concerned realise that the only person who got shafted was me, both financially and also emotionally, and also people this one particular person, a friend of mine. I just can't believe that they can say things like that after all the years we know them. So, hey, anyway, doesn't matter. So, talk to you soon. Like, subscribe, follow me about, and to be continued. All right. Just remember, could be worse. This empty space could be your garage. At the moment, it's mine. But we're gonna try and sort this out. We got no choice. We got to, because it's hacked me right off this whole deal, really badly, and left a bitter taste in my mouth. Not only for the person that I bought the car off of, but also for the fact that I sold it to somebody that I thought that wouldn't behave like they did. But that's, hey, well, they say, I can understand why they did it, because it was there. If it hadn't been there, they wouldn't have done it. I understand all that, but it just shows. Take your eye off the ball for a minute, and someone else gets the goal. So, talk to you soon, guys. You might get this video. Hopefully you put it on. I hope you do, because it's a bit of an apology video, but it's just saying that, as usual, the only person out of pocket is me. I've got to shell out now to buy something back that I sold to sort out somebody else's bloody mess that they shouldn't have got into in the bloody first place. And I'm the one, as usual, just getting the crap over it. So, as I said before, hopefully this shed will be filled with a new car in about 10 minutes. And you may or may not see what I'm going to do, but if you do, think yourself bloody lucky. If you don't, then think yourself even more lucky. Talk to you soon. Bye for now. Bye for now. Remember, like and subscribe, follow me about, give me some thumbs up, give me some enthusiasm to keep going, because really I am Yeah, I know I've got to do the E-type. I know I've got to do this. I know that. And I've got to look for some idea. And I've got to do this. And this isn't my choice. I didn't want to get Road into this deal. I just wish I'd never done this bloody deal. It'd been better if I hadn't. So, anyway. So, empty space. Seems to be filled with a load of crap. Follow me about. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.